Whenever we want to access our Gmail on Windows, first of all we need to go to any browser, then we need to log in our Gmail, and then only we can access the Gmail. But what if I'll tell you, you can quickly access the Gmail on your desktop also, like you do on your phone. So in this video I'll tell you how and by which steps you can easily access the Gmail account or your Gmail by clicking the few steps. So let's get started. Open Gmail, make sure you're logged in to your account. Click on the three dots over here. Click on More Tools, select the Create Shortcut option. You will get the option to change your name here. Click on the Open as Window option. Lastly, click on Create. Windows will ask you to pin the application into the taskbar. Click on Yes, and a Gmail icon will be also added to your desktop. If you are using Microsoft Edge, open browser, open Gmail, click on the three dots here, click on Apps, select Install this site as an app option, click on Install button, click on the preferred option and click on the arrow button. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.